Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of welding safety and reviewing the top 5 best welding masks. Whether you're a professional welder or a DIY enthusiast, a good welding mask is essential for both safety and comfort. Stick around to find out which mask could be the best choice for your next welding project. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Safeup UN109 welding mask. Welding can be a dangerous activity, requiring the right protective gear to ensure safety and comfort. The Safeup UN109 welding mask is an auto-darkening helmet designed to protect welders from sparks, spatter, and harmful radiation. With features that enhance comfort and functionality, this welding mask aims to provide an efficient solution for both amateur and professional welders. In this video, we will discuss the pros and cons of the Safeup UN109 to help you determine if it meets your welding needs. Pros: enhanced eye protection. The auto-darkening feature provides immediate protection by switching to a dark state the instant an arc is struck. This helps protect the eyes from harmful radiation and bright flashes associated with welding. Comfortable fit. The turnover headband mechanism lowers the helmet's center of gravity, reducing neck fatigue and discomfort during extended welding sessions. This ergonomic design allows welders to work longer without strain. Rapid response time. With a reaction time of just 1/25,000th of a second, the Safeup UN109 ensures minimal delay in switching from light to dark. This feature is crucial for maintaining visibility and safety when welding. Customizable settings. The adjustable dark to clear delay and sensitivity settings allow operators to tailor the mask's performance to their specific welding conditions. This adaptability can improve both safety and efficiency. Durable protection. Constructed to withstand harsh welding conditions, the Safeup UN109 provides robust protection against sparks and spatter, extending the life of the helmet and ensuring durability in demanding environments. Cons: weight considerations. Though designed for comfort, some users may still find the helmet to be heavier than expected, especially when worn for long periods. This could lead to fatigue if not adequately adjusted. The Safeup UN109 welding mask offers a combination of advanced features and ergonomic design that can significantly enhance a welder's experience. Its auto-darkening filter, rapid response time, and customizable settings make it a valuable tool for ensuring safety and comfort during welding tasks. Coming in at number 4, we have the Arccaptain HSH-G999 welding mask. The Arccaptain HSH-G999 welding mask is designed for welders seeking enhanced safety, comfort, and visibility during welding operations. With its auto-darkening filter and advanced features, this helmet aims to provide optimal protection while ensuring a comfortable fit. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of the Arccaptain welding mask to help you make an informed decision. Pros: auto-darkening filter. One of the standout features of the Arccaptain welding mask is its high-end auto-darkening lens, equipped with 4 premium arc sensors. This allows users to easily adapt to varying welding conditions by adjusting the lens's shade and sensitivity, providing flexibility across arc, MIG, and TIG welding processes. The lens transitions from a light state to a dark state, ensuring effective protection against intense glare. Optimal eye protection. The mask provides excellent eye safety, achieving full automatic protection up to DIN 16 against harmful UV and IR radiation. This comprehensive protection reduces the risk of eye damage, allowing welders to focus on their work without worrying about exposure to harmful light. True color technology. With a top optical clarity rating of 1112, the Arccaptain mask features advanced true color technology. The large viewing area of 3.93 x 3.66 enhances visual clarity, enabling welders to see their work more accurately and improving overall precision. Superior comfort. Weighing only 2 pounds, the Arccaptain welding mask is significantly lighter than many competing products, which helps reduce strain on the neck during prolonged use. The dynamically adjustable headgear and breathable padding ensure a comfortable fit, making it suitable for extended periods of wear. Durable and eco-friendly design. Constructed from robust PP material, the welding helmet is designed to withstand shocks and flames, ensuring longevity and reliability in demanding environments. It meets several safety standards including ANSI Z87.1, EN379CE, and CSA Z94.3. Additionally, the mask is powered by a combination of a solar cell and a replaceable CR2450 lithium battery, promoting an eco-friendly approach. Cons: potential for fogging. Like many welding helmets, there might be instances of fogging during use, particularly in humid conditions. While this is common among many helmets, it can impact visibility and comfort. The Arccaptain HSH-G999 welding mask is a solid choice for welders seeking a blend of safety, comfort, and advanced technology. Its auto-darkening feature, excellent eye protection, and true color lens greatly enhance the welding experience. At number 3, the Hitbox HB555 welding mask. When it comes to welding safety, the Hitbox HB555 welding mask stands out as a reliable choice for both amateur and professional welders. Designed with comfort, versatility, and advanced technology, this helmet aims to enhance the welding experience while ensuring safety and visibility. In this video, we'll delve into the pros and cons of the Hitbox HB555 to help you determine if it fits your welding needs. Pros: comfortable ergonomic design. The Hitbox HB555 is designed with user comfort in mind. The inclusion of a forehead sponge and adjustable headgear ensures a snug fit that reduces discomfort during prolonged use, making it easier for welders to focus on their work. Versatile for various processes. This welding mask is suitable for a wide range of welding processes, including TIG, MIG, arc, and grinding. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for metal fabricators who engage in different types of welding tasks. Enhanced visibility with True Color technology. The True Color technology enhances visibility by reducing glare and improving color accuracy. This feature minimizes eye strain and allows for better precision when working on intricate welding projects. Immediate protection with auto-darkening. The auto-darkening lens provides instant protection by adjusting to changing light conditions. This feature is crucial for maintaining safety while welding, as it ensures the welder's eyes are shielded from harmful rays. Large viewing area. With a viewing screen measuring 3.9 x 3.1 inches, the Hitbox HB555 offers a clear and expansive view of the welding area. This larger viewing area enhances productivity and helps welders maintain accuracy during their work. Cons: adjustment complexity. While the helmet includes adjustable features, some users may find it difficult to achieve the perfect fit. Proper adjustment is essential for comfort and effectiveness, and this may take time for new users. The Hitbox HB555 welding mask offers a robust combination of comfort, versatility, and advanced technology, making it a commendable choice for welders across various skill levels. Its ergonomic design, True Color technology, and auto-darkening features work together to enhance safety and efficiency during welding tasks. In the second spot, we have the Deko MZ Series welding mask. The Deko MZ Series welding mask is designed to cater to the diverse needs of welders, providing both functionality and comfort. With features that enhance visibility and protect against harmful radiation, this welding helmet aims to make the welding process smoother and safer. We will delve into the pros and cons of the Deko MZ Series welding mask to help you determine if it's the right choice for your welding tasks. Pros: adaptive settings. The Deko MZ Series is equipped with sensitivity and delay settings, allowing welders to customize the helmet for different environments and task durations. This adaptability enhances the overall welding experience, ensuring that users can work efficiently under varying conditions. Enhanced visibility. This welding mask boasts a standard viewing area of 3.62 x 1.65, providing a clean and comfortable view. The mask's design promotes diffusion of light and variation in luminous transmittance, enabling welders to see clearly from different angles. This feature is especially beneficial for intricate welding tasks where precision is crucial. Lightweight and comfortable, weighing only 1 pound, the Deko MZ Series welding mask is designed for prolonged use without causing fatigue. The balanced design, combined with adjustable headgear, ensures a comfortable fit, allowing welders to work for extended periods without discomfort. Cost-effective and intelligent design. The auto-darkening filter adapts the lens shade to suit various working environments, making it practical for different welding applications, including TIG, MIG, MMA, and plasma work. Its combination of battery power and solar panel technology along with an eco-friendly CR2032 lithium battery, offers a longer lifespan of up to 5,000 hours, making it a cost-effective choice. Ultimate eye protection: the helmet features a rapid switch from light to dark in 1/15,000 seconds, providing immediate protection against harmful UV and IR radiation. In the event of an electric failure, it continues to shield the welder according to shade 16.1/2/1/1/2 rating, meeting ANSI Z87.1-2010 and N3794913 standards. This robust safety feature ensures peace of mind for welders. Cons: limited viewing area. While the viewing area is designed for clarity, some users might find the dimensions to be somewhat limiting compared to other welding masks with larger viewing screens. This could restrict peripheral vision, which is crucial in certain welding tasks. The Deko MZ Series welding mask offers a robust set of features tailored to meet the needs of professional welders. With its adaptive settings, enhanced visibility, and ultimate eye protection, this mask provides an excellent balance of safety and functionality. And finally, at number 1, we have the Andeli BY950T-1 welding mask. Welding is a demanding task that requires the right equipment to ensure both safety and comfort. The Andeli BY950T-1 welding mask is designed to provide effective eye protection while enhancing visibility and comfort during welding projects. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of the Andeli BY950T-1 to help you determine whether it's the right choice for your welding needs. Pros: effective eye protection. The Andeli BY950T-1 offers strong eye protection by blocking harmful blue light, which can cause eye strain and long-term damage. This feature is particularly important for welders who spend extended periods working under intense light conditions. Enhanced visibility. With its large viewing area and side view capabilities, this welding mask allows users to have a broader perspective of their work environment. The enhanced visibility aids in precision and accuracy during welding tasks, reducing the likelihood of errors. Comfortable and adjustable fit. The cushioned front and rear headbands are designed to provide a comfortable fit, reducing pressure points on the head. This design feature is essential for welders who wear their masks for long durations, as it helps to mitigate fatigue and discomfort. Versatility in usage. The Andeli BY950T-1 is suitable for various welding processes, making it a versatile tool for welders engaged in different types of projects. Whether you are working on TIG, MIG, or stick welding, this helmet can accommodate your needs. Durable construction. The materials used in the construction of the Andeli BY950T-1 are designed to withstand the rigors of welding. This durability ensures that the helmet remains effective over time, providing reliable protection. Cons: fogging issues. In certain environmental conditions, the interior of the welding mask may fog up, which can obstruct visibility. While not unique to this model, it's a common issue that can affect overall performance during welding tasks. The Andeli BY950T-1 welding mask is a solid choice for welders seeking effective eye protection, enhanced visibility, and comfort. With its focus on blocking harmful blue light and providing a large viewing area, this mask is designed to enhance the welding experience.